what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I've never met a sparkle that I didn't like and a bully that I did, because being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So happy new year. Welcome 2022. I am excited to start off this new year. So for my first video of this year, I'm going to do another edition of my Mythical, Unearthly and Makeup. And for this edition, I actually thought I would talk about, I've mentioned this before in my channel. There is a spirit of a woman who comes into my room and visits me. And I actually did a spirit box session trying to communicate with her back in November. But like I had said in my past video, in November, I really didn't feel good for most of the month. I had a sinus infection that I was battling and I did not go to the doctor when I should have. So I felt like crap most of the month. So I never actually ended up uploading it or editing it or anything, and I really did want to share it because I feel like I did get some like interesting responses. And the reason I wanted to actually do the spirit box session with her was because she did something really weird the night before I did this spirit box session. I was laying in my bed and I was just like trying to go to sleep. I was fully awake though, and I felt her usual presence come in, and I just felt like this, I felt her like come over, like lean over me, and I could like feel her like energy like right next to my ear. And she whispers, not whispers, she says clear as day, "Why don't you come to visit me anymore?" And then just leaves. Like I got the whole shivers at my back, because like when spirits really come close to me, I get like feelings, and I get like shivers in my back, and I can't like explain it, but I just know what it is like when they're really like, when they're just like really around. And I just thought it was interesting because I don't remember ever visiting her, because I don't remember like consciously visiting like the spirit realm or anything like that. So I just wanted to know like what she meant by that. So it prompted me to do a spirit box session. So what I thought I would do is I would do my makeup and we will listen to the spirit box session as I do my makeup. Throughout the spirit box session, you'll see like I did edit it down so it's not as long as it was, because there were parts where it literally like there were no responses coming through. It was just picking up radio signals, and you could tell it was just radio. It wasn't like anything supernatural-ish or anything like that. But I did leave some stuff in, and you'll see I'm pretty quiet through most of it because I actually don't hear the responses until I listen to the video back. So I usually don't have any reaction to the recording or anything. I mean to the spirit box as it's going during the video. So if I look bored, if I'm just sitting there, it's because I'm just listening. And if I pause for a while and after I say something, it's because I'm trying to see if it can record like any type of response. Quick disclaimer, spirit boxes aren't toys, so please use your best caution when you are using them. In the end, you may think you know who you're speaking to, but you really don't. Always make sure to close out the session and definitely only allow love and light in, and you know, sage and crystal, put crystals everywhere after. That's what I always do after I do any type of like spirit stuff, because I just only want to keep positive energy around me. So without further ado, let's get into doing my makeup. I'm going to do like an icy blue look and listening to the spirit box to see what this woman had to say. Okay, so it is Monday, November 15th, and we are doing a spirit box session in my bedroom. I would like to, if I can, try and communicate with the female spirit that has been hanging around in my room. So let's get going. Got my box.
Xbox. Scanning FM.
So I am looking to communicate with the female spirit that tends to visit me in my room. If you're here, you can use this box to communicate with me. I would just like to know if you are here right now. If you're here, you can definitely use this box to communicate with me. If you're here, did you visit me last night? Were you the one who came to visit me last night? If so, why? And if you are communicating with me, what did you mean when you said, why don't I come to visit you anymore? Because I don't remember really ever visiting the spirit world consciously. But I know that's what you said to me yesterday. Why don't I visit you anymore? Are you the same spirit as before? Do I know you? Have I visited you on like an astral plane or in the dream or something? Because I don't remember consciously doing it. So is it through a dream? When was the last time I visited you? Did I know you in your living life? And are you the same spirit that's visited me before? The same woman that's always around? Is there anything you'd like to say? I just am really curious as to what that was about. gonna close out this session now. Thank you guys for communicating. If you did, thank you. If it was just one or more, I really appreciate it. Thank you so much, and we are ending this session, so have a good night and goodbye. So editing me here, I was just going through my pictures that I took after I did my video, and I noticed there was an orb in this one picture, which I'll put right here, which is really, really interesting because I was just doing a video talking about the woman that comes to visit me, and I just thought that it was kind of weird that I took the picture and then all of a sudden there's just really like vibrant orb behind me after I was talking about, you know, a spirit that comes to visit me. So I wanted to include that in the video. So that is the entirety of the spirit box session, and this is my finished look right here. Blues are so much fun. They're so hard to work with because I always find that I end up like muddying them together, but I think that this one actually came out really, really pretty. So what did you guys think of the spirit box session? I thought I definitely got some responses. There were some interesting things in there. I'm really not sure what she meant about you have a secret. I mean, everyone has like secrets and stuff, but like I don't have like a secret. Like, I mean, you know, it's just weird. Then there was like that blur that I wasn't sure if there was something. But I just thought it was really interesting. Let me know if you guys like heard anything, or if you don't think some of the stuff that I heard was accurate. I'm always interested to like hear what other people have to say because, you know, you can interpret things differently, and, you know, I love sharing this kind of stuff. So let me know what you guys thought of that session. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. So if you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that's totally fine. I thank you so much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. I will also send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you'd like to follow me there. I'll post pictures of looks that I did not film, as well as pictures of my pets, and I think they are adorable, but of course we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!